Thank you so much for clicking this video. If you came here, just you will learn a lot of things from this video. So just watch this video till end. First of all, let me know you where are you watching this video, on Facebook or YouTube channel. I don't know where are you right now. Whatever you are right now, just follow me. If you're watching on Facebook, just follow me, and are you watching on YouTube channel, just subscribe my channel and support me. Okay, today we are beginner here, and tomorrow inshallah I will great by supporting you. Thank you so much. Many students and people say and complain to me, I belong to English medium school since childhood, even though right now I'm studying in English medium school, and I have a great friends, I have a good circle of friends, and even my teachers are very perfect and talented in English language. Even though I'm not talking English, I'm not able to speak English language. What problem with me? Okay, I can describe about this problem, about this issue. So today in this video we are going to talk about tips and tricks, how will you improve your English communication by writing. Okay, so I have many kinds of tools, but today I will share with you right now only one tip. Tip is that writing. How will you improve your English by writing? I'm not talking about you have to write down a story, you have to write down like these types articles and stories. I'm not talking about that. Just you have to start daily sentences. So first of all, let me tell you about myself. This is Asad, and I belong to Jharkhand. Nowadays I'm providing the English content on YouTube and Facebook. Whatever you are writing right now, you have to support me. Okay, and so are you loving me and not? Just you have to write on the comment box. Your style is perfect, your talking way is a very amazing and catchy way. Just you have to write down, and your comment will be boost me, your comment will be encourage me, your comment will be motivate you, and you will not waste anything. Just you will write and your English will be flow, and your comment will be encourage and motivate me. Why are you skipping that? Don't skip that. Okay, so we are going to talk about a tool. Tool is that writing. Writing is very powerful, like speaking and listening and reading. These tools are very perfect and improve your English communication. Like this, if you wanna improve your English language, even you are belong to English medium school and you are not able to speak right now, don't worry, you come here, I will help you, I will tell you, and I will suggest to you different kinds of method and strategy. How will you improve your communication skill? How will you enhance your communication skill? Definitely don't worry about that. Just you click on the right video. Okay, writing is a way perfect things. How? Let me tell you. I'm not talking about you have to write a very long story, and you have to write a news, you have to write a very long paragraph. I'm not talking about that. Just you have to start from today. You have to write your daily routine. First of all, you have to write your introduction. Who are you? Where are you from? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you study? What do you like? Like these types you have to write down first of all. Okay, so this is your first duty, and then you have to write about your family members. How many members are there in your family? How many friends do you have? What do you like? Which kind of foods and clothes you are loving the most? You have to write a notebook. Even you are doing mistake, I know well, because you don't have a practice, you don't have a habit. Just you have make habit. If you make a habit to writing, no one can stop you to improve your English. I'm not talking about your English, but your speaking, your communicating style will be increased, inshallah ta'ala. If you follow this strategy and method, your English will be flow. Sure, I know that because I have followed that. You know what I did? Starting moment and initial time I studied English a lot of times, but my English was not improving. I was worried. What should I do now? What should I do now? I'm working hard and I'm trying to speak with different kind of people, and but my English is not improving. What should I do? I was worried about that. One day I have talked with myself. I have asked myself, oh Asad, what are you doing? Are you wasting time? What do you think in English? Can you change your English? Can you speak English one day? My mind said and my heart that said, yes, you can do that, but it will take time. From that day, I started to describe, I started to elaborate by writing. Even I'm writing 5 and 10 sentences, but I was writing. I did not skip any single day. Okay, so one thing, let me know you, and you have to memorize the word. You have to learn by heart even 5 and 10 sentence and words every day. First of all, let me an example. Yes, today you have memorized a word like opportunity. Opportunity. Okay, so how will you use in a sentence? By writing just I have got an opportunity to visit Jama Masjid, to join a new class. I have got opportunity to join a new class. You have only one word and you can make different kinds of sentence, different kinds of method and paragraph, only one word. Okay, if you start, you can do that. Just you will think, oh, how can I do that? How can I do that? Just you will think, you cannot apply on your life. Okay, this is very biggest mistake doing different kinds of people and students. Students say, I wanna study English, I wanna learn English, but I'm not following. How it possible? It's impossible. Please try to understand. Second thing is that if you wanna improve your communication, just you have write like those person about you are loving the most. Suppose you have a friend, describe about this person. Oh my goodness, this person is very perfect for me. This is a very great personality for me. He helped a lot of times in my life. He changed in my life. You have to describe by writing. If you do that, please believe me, you can change yourself. You can change your society. You can serve the nation. First of all, change yourself, and then you have bring the change in your society. Otherwise, you cannot do that. Just you think, oh, I will change my society, I will change my world. You can't do that because you did not change yourself. So in this video, I think, what did you learn actually? Did you learn any new thing? Did you learn any extraordinary? Did you learn any vocabs? Did you learn any kind of sentence or not? Just you have to write down in the comment box, because it helped me a lot. It improved me and it motivated me. That's why I'm telling again and again, you don't forget to write any comment. Many people watch my videos, but they are not following me, they are not supporting me, they are not commenting me. What's the problem do you have? Just it will take only 1 minute, and your job will be motivate me and encourage me. Why are you Please, even you are abusing me, just you can abuse in the comment box. If you are admiring me, just you have to admire in my videos. I hope you are doing well and watch this video till end, and you can share this video to your friend, to your colleagues and family members, and you say, oh, this is my friend, they are motivating the students in English language. He can speak English language, why are you not able to speak English language? Definitely you can do that, just you have to follow some structure, some methods and strategy. Your English will be flow, your English will be boost, inshallah ta'ala. Keep learning and growing, be always happy. Thank you, bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.